Okay friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing a question paper, electrical question paper for overseer. Okay, let's move on. Rated voltage of single phase supply for domestic connection in our state is option C, 230 volt. This is the question from Kerala. So Kerala single phase supply for domestic connection is 230 volt. The maximum current in a branch circuit of household wiring is limited to option B, 5 ampere. The third pin of the 3-pin plug connection for household electrical equipment provides. What's the answer? Yes, option D, safety for the operator. Fourth question. The name of interconnecting network of transmission of several power station and substation is. What's the answer? Yes, grid. Option B, grid. Grid is the name of interconnecting the network of transmission of several power stations and substations. N-type semiconductor is formed by doping intrinsic silicon by. N-type semiconductor is formed by doping intrinsic silicon by option D, phosphorus. The number of electrons in the outermost orbit for an acceptor immunity is option B, 3. The transistor configuration which will have both the current and voltage gain is. Which transistor configuration have both the current and voltage gain? Yes, common emitter. Common emitter transistor configuration have both the current and voltage gain. Common emitter. Eighth question. In a phase shift oscillator, the transistor used will be working in active region. In phase shift oscillator, the transistor used will be working in active region. Phase shift oscillator transistor worked in active region. The parameter which is to be turned to obtain a required station in a radio is. Which parameter we tune for to get a required station in a radio? Yes, capacitance. We adjust capacitance to obtain required station in a radio. Next, 10th question. The small IC chip containing the circuits necessary for the functioning of arithmetic, logic and control unit of the computer is known as microprocessor. Option B, microprocessor is the answer. Rectifier circuit is used to. That's a simple question. Rectifier circuit is used to what? Convert AC to DC. Rectifiers, those circuits convert AC to DC. The type of modulation used in TV picture signal transmission is. Which transmission is used in TV picture signal? Which type of modulation is used in TV picture signal transmission? Vestigial sideband modulation. The scientist who investigated X-rays was. Wrongstun. D. Option D is the answer. Wrongstun who investigated X-rays. Wrongstun. Okay. The AC supply is stepped up to high voltage for long distance transmission because it is economical. Yes, The AC supply stepped up to high voltage for long distance transmission because it is economical. The transformer core is laminated to avoid loss of energy due to eddy current. To avoid eddy current loss, we laminate the transformer core. The AC supply cannot be used for what? The AC supply cannot be used for electrolysis. Next, 17th question. The resistance of a perfect insulator is equal to, that symbol, infinite. Infinity. Among the various electrical machines, the maximum efficiency is given by option B, transformer, because there is no mobile moving parts. That's why transformer give maximum efficiency among electrical machines. Next, 19th question. Interpoles in DC machines are used for improving commutation. For improving commutation, we use interpoles in DC machines. How many times in 1 second does the AC voltage in a circuit become 0 if its frequency is 50 Hz? Okay, for a single cycle, the frequency for a single frequency or single cycle, a AC voltage gets 0 in 2 times. So in 50 Hz, the answer is option C, 100. Okay, next question. Specific resistance of a conductor depends on what? Specific resistance means the resistance of a material at unit length and diameter. Is it? Then conductor material is the right answer. Conductor material depends the specific resistance of a conductor or material. Moving to next question. When the load of transformer increases its power factor, when the load on transformer increases, power factor also increases. Okay. When load increases, power factor of a transformer also increases. Double speed operation of a 3-phase induction motor is possible by, what's the answer? Double speed operation in a 3-phase induction motor. 3-phase induction motor, we can achieve double speed operation by pole changing technique. By using pole changing technique, we can do double speed operation in a 3-phase induction motor. Next question. A synchronous motor running at over-excited condition give synchronous motor running at over-excited condition will give leading power factor. An over-excited synchronous motor will give leading power factor. Okay. Synchronous motor are provided with damper winding for synchronous motor. We use damper winding for what purpose? Yes, starting the motor. Option C. Option C, starting the motor. We provide damper winding for synchronous motor. The generated voltage of a isolated alternator is controlled by changing the generated voltage of a isolated alternator is controlled by changing. Option B, excitation. By changing excitation, we can control the generated voltage in an isolated alternator. Next question. Regulation on of an alternator is given by, what is regulation Option C, rise in terminal voltage when load is thrown off. That is the regulation. Regulation of an alternator means when we put off the load, the rise in terminal voltage. That is the regulation of an alternator. The wattmeter reading during open circuit test in transformer gives. In open circuit test, the wattmeter gives what according to a transformer? Option D, core loss. In open circuit test, transformer, the wattmeter will give core loss. Okay. 28. Option D, core loss. Weatherproof wire is used for. Weatherproof wire is used for service connection. Okay. The energy consumed by a 1000 watt heater for 2 hours. Energy consumed by a 1000 watt heater for 2 hours. What's the answer? 2 kWh. Am I right? Okay. For 1 hour it's 1000, then 2 hour it's 2000, that is 2 kWh. Which of the following is most suitable as the core of transformer? Which material is most suitable? 31. Option A, Alnico. Alnico is the most suitable material for making the core of transformer. The armature current of a DC motor is maximum when the motor is. Armature current of a DC motor is maximum when the motor is. Option D, switched on. Armature current of a DC motor is maximum when the motor is switched on. Which of the following is zero in a wattless circuit? Which of the following is zero in a wattless circuit? Option A, resistance will be zero in a wattless circuit. 33. Option A, resistance. Eddy current does not cause. Eddy current does not cause. Option D, sparking. Eddy current does not a reason for sparking. Okay. Option D, 34. Answer is option D, sparking. The safe current of fuse wire is independent of. The safe current of fuse wire is independent of what? 35. Option B, length. The safe current of fuse wire is independent of length. The induced EMF cannot be produced by. 36. Answer is option A, maintaining a large but constant current in a circuit. Induced EMF cannot be produced by maintaining a large but constant current in a circuit. By using constant latched current, we can't induce EMF. Okay. Alternators are rated in. That's a simple question. In what alternators are rated in kVA? Okay, 37 option B. 38. The speed of DC series motor at no load is what? That's also a common question. Infinity. We all know without any load the speed of a DC series motor is infinity. Next, 39. Cage induction motor can be started using cage induction motor can be started by using star delta starter. Star delta starter is used for starting the cage induction motor. So 39 option D, star delta starter. The exciter is a small. What is exciter? The exciter is a small. Exciter is a small generator. Yeah, exciter is a generator that energizes the field structure. Commutator segment of DC machine are made of. Commutator segments of DC machines are made of. 41 option C, hard drawn copper. Commutator segments are made up of hard drawn copper. Moving to next question, 42. The material used for earthing sheet. The material used for earthing sheet. GI sheet. GI sheet option A. GI sheet is used for earthing sheet. The resistance of an ammeter is of the order of. Resistance of an ammeter is of the order of option D, 43 option D, less than 0.1 ohms. Okay. Energy meter can be classified as an. What is an energy meter? 44 option B, integrating instrument. Energy meter is an integrating. Okay. Energy meter is an integrating instrument. 44 option B. The earth wire used in household wiring is. Earth wire used in household wiring is 45 option C, 14 SWG copper wire. 45 option C, the earth wire used in household wiring is 14 SWG copper wire. Okay. The unit of intensity of illuminance is. Okay, that's simple. 46 option A, candela. Luminance intensity unit is candela. That's a SI unit, candela. That's very important. A transformer varies the output. A transformer varies the output. What? Output current. All other are constant according to transformer. Okay. So 47 option A, current. What will happen if the supply voltage to a synchronous motor is slightly increased? What will happen if the supply voltage to a synchronous motor is slightly increased? 48 option C, its speed remains same. There is no change in the speed when we increase the external applied voltage for a synchronous motor. Okay. Even if we increase the supply voltage, its speed remains same in a synchronous motor. 48 option C. Next question, 49. In 3-point starter, no voltage coil is connected in series with. In 3-point starter, no voltage coil is connected in series with. Option A, shunt field. In 3-point starter, no voltage is connected in series with shunt field. 49 option A, shunt field. Next, 50. Which of the following instrument is fitted with a brake magnet? Which of the following instrument is fitted with a brake magnet? 50 Option C, induction type energy meter. Okay. Which of the following instrument is fitted with a brake magnet? Option C, induction type energy meter. Next, 51. Question 51. The resistance of a metallic wire varies directly proportional to its. The resistance of a metallic wire varies directly proportional to its. 51. Option C, length. R is equal to rho L by A. You know the equation there. The length is directly proportional. So 51. Option C, length. 52. The resistance of a wire is measured by using what? Resistance of a wire is measured by using 52 by using multimeter. Yeah. The frequency of our supply system is that simple. Option B, 50 Hz. 50 Hz is the frequency of our supply system in India. With the increase in supply frequency, the capacitive reactance of a circuit. With the increase in supply frequency, the capacitive reactance of a circuit. What will happen when we increase the frequency? Decreases. Okay, capacitive reactance decreases. 54. Option A. The power factor of a lighting circuit consists of incandescent lamp bulb is. Power factor of a lighting circuit consists of incandescent lamp is 55. Option D, 1. Power factor will be high. Okay. Lighting circuit consists of incandescent bulb is option D, 1. 55. Option D. Answer is 1. Okay, moving to next page. 56th question. In a household circuit, the lamps are connected in. In a household circuit, lamps are connected in. 56. Option B, parallel. Otherwise, if one bulb gets short, all other continuing bulb never glow up. So we use parallel circuit for household lamp connection. Okay, fine. Next question number 57. Which of the following is independent of the frequency of AC supply? Which of the following is independent of the frequency of AC supply? 57. Option D, resistance. Resistance doesn't depend. The frequency did not depend on resistance of AC supply. Next, the reading of an AC ammeter is 22 ampere. What is the peak value of current? The reading of an AC ammeter is 22 ampere. What is the peak value of current? 58. Option D, none of the above. Peak value of current we can determine none of above. Okay. Fuse wire is prepared using 59. 59. Option C, lead and tin. Tin and lead is used for preparing fuse wire. Okay. 59. Option C. 60th question. The active power in a purely capacitive circuit is. Option. The active power in a purely capacitive circuit is 60. Option A, 0. Which of the following parameter is measured in watt? 61. Option B, electric power is measured in parameter watt. The transformers are working on the principle of. The transformers are working on the principle of what? Mutual induction. 62. Option C. Mutual induction. Which of the following is used to terminate the resistance of electrical installation? Which of the following is used to terminate the resistance of electrical installation? 63. Option C. Megger. Megger is used to terminate the resistance of electrical installation. Choose an integrating type instrument from the following meter. Okay, we already said about integrating instrument. 64. Option B. Energy meter is an integrating type instrument. The resistance of a 60 watt bulb will be lower than 100 watt, higher than 100 watt, equal to 100 watt, none of the above. 65. Option B. Higher than 100 watt bulb. Okay. The Ohm's law is valid when the temperature of the conductor is. The Ohm's law is valid when the temperature of the conductor is. 66. Option A. Constant. Ohm's law valid if the temperature of a conductor is constant. Moving to next page. 67. The range of the given AC voltmeter can be extended by using. Okay, that's nice question. The range of the given AC voltmeter can be extended by using. 67. Option C. PT. Okay. Moving coil instruments can be used in. 68. Moving coil instrument can be used in only DC circuit. Okay. 68. Option B. Power factor of an industrial supply will be low because of. Power factor of an industrial supply will be low because of. 69. 69. Option D. More induction motors. Because of more induction motors, power factor of an industrial supply is very low. The biggest hydroelectric project in Kerala. The biggest hydroelectric project in Kerala. Option A. Idukki. A dynamo. Oh, that's a nice question. Dynamo. Simple. Convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. 71. Option A. A choke coil has high inductance and low resistance. Okay. Option C. 72. Option C. A choke coil has high inductance and low resistance. In 2 wattmeter method of power measurement, if the power factor is unity, then in 2 wattmeter method of power measurement, if the power factor is unity, then 73. Option D. Both wattmeter will read same value. If the power by using 2 wattmeter method, if the power factor is unity, the both wattmeter will give the same value of reading. Okay. Which of the following is not true for fluorescent lamp? Which is not true? 74. 74. Option A. They have no heating filament. That's wrong. Okay. 74. Option A. 75. The unit of magnetic flux in MKS system is. 75. Option C. 75. Option C. Weber. The unit of magnetic flux in MK system is Weber. Okay. Moving to next question. 76 question. In India, usual generating voltage at power station is. That's 11 kV. Am I right? 76 option C. In India, usual generating voltage at power station is 11 kV, that is 11,000 volt. The secondary of the distribution transformer must be connected in. The secondary of the distribution transformer must be connected in 77. Option B, star connected. Okay. 77. Option B, star connected. Change of excitation of an isolated alternator merely change the output in. Change of the excitation of an isolated alternator merely changes the output in 78. Option A, kV. Which of the following is used as fuel in nuclear reactor? Oh, that's also simple. 79. Option A, uranium is used as the fuel in nuclear reactors. Induction motor runs at what? Induction motor runs at below synchronous speed. Okay. Induction motor runs at below synchronous speed 80. Option B is the right, below synchronous speed. Next question. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is not affected by. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is not affected by what? Area of the plate, thickness of the plate, nature of dielectric separation between plate. 81. Option A, thickness of the plate. Okay, next question. 82. The secondary of a CT current transformer is. Secondary of a current transformer is 82. Option A, never left open circuit. Okay. 82. Option A. The capacity of a battery is expressed in. Capacity of a battery is expressed in. We all know what? 83. Option D, ampere hour, because in phone we use mAh, milliampere, mAh. Okay, that's ampere hour. The principle of dynamically induced EMF is utilized in. The principle of dynamically induced EMF is used in. 84. Option B, generator. DC series motor has. DC series motor has 85. Option C, high starting torque. That's why we never start a DC series motor without any load. The total current drawn by a circuit. So option C, 85. Answer option C. 86. The total current drawn by a circuit consists of two number of 5 ohm resistor in parallel connected to a 20 volt supply. 86. That is actually answer B. Sorry. Okay. B. 8 ampere. That we can calculate by using mathematical solve. Mathematically we can solve that question. Okay. Actually 86. The answer is B. 8 ampere. Moving to next. 87. 4 wire of equal length and of resistance 2 ohm each are connected in form a square. The equivalent resistance between two opposite corner of the square is. Wire of equal length and of resistance 2 ohm each are connected form a square. 4 wire means FO not FOR. FOUR wire, that's a printing mistake. Okay. The equivalent resistance between two opposite corner of the square we can solve by using we can obtain the answer by using solving that problem. Okay, actually the 87, that the answer is 87. Option A, 2 ohms. 88. A house is fitted with 10 lamps of 60 watt each and 4 fan of 100 watt each. if they are using as an average for 2 hours daily, what will be the consumption of electricity for 1 day? 10 lamp of 60 watt, 4 fan of 100 watt. If they are using an average 2 hours daily, therefore 600 plus 400, okay, that's 1000 watt per hour, means 2000 watt daily. '88 answer B, 2 units. 1000 watt is equals 1 unit, so 2000 2 hours, therefore 2000. Two units. To increase the efficiency of incandescent lamp, what will we do? 89 option C, inert gas is filled. The maximum value of an alternating current in a circuit is 10 ampere. If an ammeter is connected in the circuit, what will be the reading of ammeter? The maximum value of an AC current AC in a circuit is 10 ampere. If an ammeter is connected in the circuit, what will be the reading of the ammeter? 90 option A, 7.0907 ampere, okay. What effect of electricity used in electric bell? 91 simple, option D, magnetic effect. With rise in temperature, the insulating property of an insulator, option B, weakness. When the temperature increases, the insulating property get reduced for an insulator. The metal used for the elements of electric heater. The metal used for the element of electric heater is 93. Option D, nichrome. The unit of flux density is 94. Option D, Weber per meter square. Flux is Weber, so there is density, that is meter square, okay. Commonly, so 94 option D. 95 commonly used wattmeters are 95 option C, dynamo type wattmeter is used commonly, okay. Commonly used wattmeters are dynamometer type, okay. 95 option C. The no load current drawn by an induction motor will be having. The no load current drawn by an induction motor will be. Moving to next question. DC shunt motor is a. 97 option B, constant speed motor. DC shunt motor is a constant speed motor. 98th question. A motor that can be started on load condition. 98 option D, DC series motor can be only started by using loaded condition, okay. 99th question. A synchronous motor is used for. 99 option C, power factor improvement. Synchronous motor is used for power factor improvement, okay. The 100th last question, the last and final question. A single phase induction motor is provided with an additional winding in the stator for. D, option D, making it self-starting. A single phase induction motor is provided with an additional winding in the starter for make it self-starting, okay. Here we concluded all the questions. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. I will upload daily one question paper, okay, at least one question paper, so stay tuned with me. Thank you.